Gian, mata na.
Once, I'ma say it twice. Somebody gon' pay the price. Somebody better lose the head. Somebody.
Sorry, miss. Oh, kabantay.
So, mapapagura ka diri?
Oh.
Dapat kabalo ka sa kamuagin.
Sorry, miss. Nadali, manggugo.
Magtaro, ha?
My class, please sit down. Are you guys all aware that you have a new classmate today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Mr. Toro, please introduce yourself in front of the class.
Hi everyone, I'm the new student here. I'll be joining you guys. My name is Stanley Toro and I am 17, living in Valencia.
Girl, is the one I'm talking about. Siya mo ni-bump na ko.
Ew, how can a piece of trash enroll in this school?
I heard he was a scholar. He was actually smart. Nakadungog ko, top 1 daw siya sa ilang classroom.
I don't care if he's smart. He's still a piece of trash.
I know, right?
So, Mr. Toro, please take a seat. Hey, you guys in the back. Why are you guys murmuring? What are you guys talking about? You guys should have respect for someone talking in front of you. Not murmuring and talking all you want just because you think that guy is not important. You guys should listen next time. So here are your test papers from the recent exam we had last week. Mr. Reynaldo, very good score. Yes, thank you. Godly Toro, perfect. Amazing. So, Miss Angel Lavador, you have a fair score. And Ma'am Castro, you have a very low score, Ma'am Castro. What happened? Why all of a sudden you have a low score? Before you had high scores and now you have low scores. What's happening to you? So, why not try to work on this instead of gossiping other people?
Well, I'm rich. I don't need to worry about my grades like it needs to. Dato ako, siya pobre. So don't compare us with them, sir. Godly is getting on my nerves. Ginakover ko ni sir niya, sige.
You're so worked up about that cheap guy. Just ignore him.
Easy for you to say, dili man ikaw ang gina-compare ni sir niya.
Maybe, kaya because nasa something na mag-prove, tas ikaw wala.
Lino, di mo bas, uy, maka-hurt man ka. Kinsa man day mo ang friend siya or ako. Yaya! What's for lunch, Yaya? Ew, it's maning. I don't want it.
Asa may mamatasan? O di ka nas pagkaon ay nagaon.
Ana, if dili ka ganan sa pagkaon, I'll buy you Jollibee na lang, okay?
Munang maana ng mga bata, sino mo i-spoil? Awa, pilihan na kay Ron. Asa mo kung natagwan na kitang Jollibee yan eh?
Ano? Nabankrupt mo? Huwag yun may ayong doha.
Paguna. Kamang sa paguna. Hoy! Usagod na! Ayaw, sige ko na una anang ko.
Teka, Siya ba?
So, Miss Gian, I heard you have been doing very poorly in your class. If you're gonna continue this behavior, Miss Gian, you are not gonna graduate this school year. Yeah.
You're joking, right?
Kaya kang kag-joke ko, Miss Gian. Tangan-tangan, be. Grade, Science, 75. Oh my goodness. Yung P6 die, 63. Okay na ka? Oh, yung PE ka sa yun, anong PE sa una day? Ako, walay, try sa PE, pasar, 95. Ya ikaw, imong grado, oh, 74, wow, good ka pasar day, oh. Mapaday ko? Kana, kaya kaka-joke ko? Oh, Kani mo ang social studies, 62 in taon, wow, good grad, ay, inoon ako na kasi ito, na. Pero kana, wala ko ga-joke ka na yung grado day. If di naman yung pasakon, oh my goodness, my gulay. I don't know what will happen to your life. Success, it will not happen in a miracle if you're not gonna work for it, girl. Like, okay na ka? Inday, Gian? Miss Gian?
Whatever. I'll prove you wrong.
Okay.
Gian, alin sa dere?
Ayaw sa mo.
Unsay ayaw? Alin dere? Nitawag yung teacher?
Unsay pasabot sa maestro nga di ka graduate? Unsa naman eh? She can't even graduate.
Ano yung isisi na ko tanan? Kay balo ka nga iyang grado alanganin.
She's too busy thinking about she's better than everyone else. Her teachers told us about that.
And you think yelling at her every day help? You push her too hard.
Oh, so now you're blaming me. So now you're blaming me.
If naminaw, palang mo na ako dili, tatamay nga ni.
Ma, pa, nauli na ko.
Wala na. Nauli na di ka. Nagkugupo lagi ka.
Kamusta man kasi mong trabaho?